I've asked you a bunch of times so politely. I came out here and I asked you to please move your car.
This is
Okay,
public street
then I
parking.
had to come out again. The Joe Anderson was on the phone.
Yep.
I don't know what that
That's
means.
right.
And he,
That's right. That's the Joe Anderson mic. That's right.
What does that mean? I don't know what that means.
we are very nice neighbors. Okay?
No, you're not.
We've been trying to get you to please move your car. We have asked you politely
You've
many
been
times.
harassing me.
I came out and asked you. Then I had to go inside and tell the Joe Anderson that you
Why
had to
do you
move your
refer
car,
to him as
and
the
now
Joe
we're
Anderson?
on the phone with the police, and this
Okay,
is just
great.
escalating when it
I'm
doesn't
telling you
have to
again.
be escalating.
This is-
Listen.
This is public
Yes.
street parking.
Mike, he's
okay?
actually yelling at the Joe Anderson wife, and he's at the Joe Anderson spot. He won't
Okay,
move.
this isn't your spot. This is public
We just
street
told you.
parking.
Mm.
What do you want from me?
I'm-
I don't understand. Okay, it
I would
doesn't
like
make
you to
any
be a nice
sense.
neighbor.
Okay, you're not being a nice neighbor at all.
I had to go into the house. We had to get the Joe Anderson out of here. Now we're getting the police. You know what? Just give it to him. Give it to him.
Give me what? What are you talking about?
Listen,